Are you experiencing brain fog? You forget when you're going to do things. You forget people's names. You forget where you're going. You leave things in places you normally wouldn't. You just don't feel as sharp as you used to. Maybe you've had a head injury in the past, a whiplash, a concussion, a TBI, and everything seemed normal at the time, but things are continuing to get worse. You're experiencing things like headaches, numb hands and fingers, a little bit of dizziness here and there. You feel like you're just not the same after this injury, but things are progressively getting worse. It's most likely coming from this area, and it's probably been overlooked and uncorrected throughout all this time, and your body's been trying to heal, but now you have irritation, inflammation on the important nerves that control all of this stuff. The upper cervical area many times is affected when you have a head or a neck injury, and it goes unchecked and unfixed, and now you're dealing with all these symptoms down the road. This upper bone in your neck called C1 is the top bone. It's the first freely movable bone underneath your skull. And when this top bone has been jarred out of alignment, it changes three things: blood flow, CSF flow, and nerve to the brain. And when these three things are affected, it leads to things like brain fog, headaches, migraines, dizziness, and all the symptoms that you're probably dealing with after the fact of having a head or neck injury. So if this is you and you're dealing with all these symptoms, you need to find an upper cervical chiropractor. We take 3D images of the head and the neck. It shows us exactly how these top bones have misaligned. We realign them gently with corrections. There's no yanking, twisting, or popping. It allows your body to resolve the irritation, inflammation on the nerves. Things start to function properly, and that's when you can get your life back from all these symptoms.